Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do a test page or nozzle check on an Epson XP-4155. Now, you need to be on the home page of the printer. If you're not already there, just press the home button to bring you to the screen. Now we can use the arrow keys and OK to navigate ourselves along until we get to maintenance. Then we press OK. And the print head and nozzle check is the top option and is exactly what we're looking for. So we press OK again. Now, OK to print the actual page. Obviously make sure you've got paper in the machine, and this will take it just a minute or so. Now what this sheet does is break down the 4 colours used by your printer into little blocks so you can see both the presence of them and your printer's current ability to do fine details on there. Now if you notice any breaks along these slightly diagonal lines, it suggests like a fine issue in there, which you can normally resolve with the printhead cleaning cycles, which you can also do from the machine itself. But yeah, you should have something that looks exactly like that. Otherwise, if we go back to the printer, you can see your machine is asking if there's any breaks in there, as explained, or if you've got a nice solid thing. If you have the broken ones, you can press left, go into there, and it'll eventually lead you to do the cleaning cycles that I mentioned earlier. And you can just go in circles like this, cleaning, checking, until you have a print quality that you are happy with. Mine looks okay, so I'm just going to click OK on the circle symbol, and we're out of there. Now I hope your print is looking as good as mine, but if you did want, we do have a separate video on how to get to the printhead cleaning cycles for your printer, which you can find on our channel also. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.